In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook font and spacing back to normal. If your emails suddenly look too big, too small, or the spacing just feels off, don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in Outlook to bring everything back to a clean, familiar look. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the main mail view, where you can see your inbox and messages. What we're going to do is adjust the default settings that control how new messages look when you're writing them, as well as how replies and forwards are formatted. At the top of Outlook, look for the menu bar and find the File tab. Click on File, and then go down to Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, which is where most of the important settings live. In the left-hand panel of this window, click on Mail. Now, in the main area, look for the section called Compose Messages. Here you'll see a button that says Stationery and Fonts. Go ahead and click that. A new window will open with 3 main font settings. One for new mail messages, one for replying or forwarding messages, and one for composing and reading plain text messages. To get everything back to normal, we'll adjust each of these. Start with new mail messages. Click the Font button next to it. In the font window, choose a common, easy-to-read font like Calibri or Arial. Set the style to regular, and pick a comfortable size, such as 11 or 12. This is usually what Outlook uses by default. Click OK to save. Next, do the same for replying or forwarding messages. Click Font, select the same font, style, and size, and click OK. This keeps your emails consistent, whether you're starting a new message or replying to someone. Then, for composing and reading plain text messages, click Font again and match it to the same settings. This ensures that even simple text-only emails look normal and are easy to read. While you're still in this window, you can also check the Theme or No Theme option if you want a very plain, standard look, which often helps everything feel back to normal. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to close the Stationery and Fonts window. Then click OK again to close Outlook options. Now, create a new email, and you should see your font and spacing looking clean and consistent. If something still feels off, you can always go back into Options and fine-tune the font size until it feels just right for you.